Of course, there was nobody for us to play with on the big half moon. We just had to make the most of each other, and we did. Of course, অবশ্যই, there was nobody for us to play with on the big half moon. আমাদের সাথে খেলার মতো কেউ ছিল না। We just had to make the most of each other. তাহলে আমাদের নিজেদেরকেই নিজেদের সব থেকে বেশি যতটুকু পারা যায় কাজে লাগাতে হতো, অ্যান্ড উই ডিড, এবং আমরা তাই করতাম। Thus, you can see the beginning of the text, of course, meaning certainly. Certainly, there was nobody for us to play with on the big half moon. Big half moon. What is big half moon? Big half moon is the name of that island where the narrator and her father and her brother lived together. Big half moon. Big half moon is the residence of the narrator and her family. Big half moon. There was nobody for us to play. There was nobody. There was no one to accompany them. There was not a single person who could accompany them in their game and sports. Thus, they had to play with each other. Only two, the narrator and her brother. We just had to make the most of each other, and we did. You can easily understand the loneliness of the narrator and her brother. There was no one to support them in their place. There was not a single person who could support them, who could accompany them in their game and sports. Thus they had to play. They had to play each other. Thus the author says, we just had to make the most of each other, and we did. They were compelled to do such kind of togetherness because of the unavailability of other persons or other mates or other friends or other playmates in their play. We just had to make the most of each other, and we did. We leave. This is the first paragraph, and this paragraph is very striking because in this paragraph the two lines are very important, as these two lines strike in our heart. It implies the loneliness of the narrator and her brother, and the main theme of the text is very much expressed here, is very much exposed here. The pain, the suffering of loneliness. We just had to make the most of each other, and we did. It was compulsory, it was mandatory for them to support each other and to play in such a condition where no other persons were available. We live on the big half moon island. We live. আমরা বিগ হাফ মুনে বাস করি। উই আর, আমরা কারা? উই আর ফাদার অ্যান্ড ক্লড অ্যান্ড আই অ্যান্ড আন্ট এস্থার অ্যান্ড মিমি অ্যান্ড ডিক। আমরা হলাম বাবা, ক্লড এবং আমি এবং আন্ট এস্থার এবং মিমি এবং ডিক। তাহলে আমরা বলতে বাবা, ক্লড এবং আমি এবং আন্ট এস্থার এবং মিমি এবং ডিক। Thus they live together and there are 6 members, Father, Claude and I, meaning the narrator. I refers to the narrator. Father, it refers to the father of the narrator, and Claude, the brother of the narrator. Thus they are 3, Father, Claude and I, it means the narrator or the author, and other 3 members are Aunt Esther, Mimi and Dick. 1, 2 and 3 is 1, 1, 1 equals to 3. 1 and 1 and 1 equal to 3, and 1 and 1 and 1 equal to 3. Thus 3 and 3 equals to 6. There are 6 members, Father, Claude and I, Aunt Esther, Mimi and Dick. In the previous sentence we see we are Father and Claude and I and Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick. Observe the tense. Observe the tense. We are Father and Claude and I and Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick. We are. This is in present tense. But the sentence where it used to be is written, used to be is written in past tense. Thus this is the incidence of past. This is a usual habit of the past when there were only 3 persons living together. But presently we are Father and Claude and I and Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick, 6 persons. But in the past or in the previously In the past, they used to be only father and Claude and the narrator. Thus, watch the difference clearly, carefully. Try to understand the difference between these two. Presently, there are 6%. But at present, there are 6%. But previously, there were only these 3% living together. These 3% were living together. Presently, there are 6%, but in the past there were only 3%. And the next sentence, it is all on account of the kite that there are more of us. The main gist, the main theme, the main summary, the main cause of the incidents for which reunion is made successfully is depicted in this sentence, clearly spoken in this sentence, clearly expressed in this sentence. On account of the kite, on account of the kite. On account of the kite, the character for which a reunion is made successfully. Kite, a character for which the narrator gets reunited with their relatives. Kite, for which the narrator and her brother and her father get reunited with their relatives. On account of this phrase does mean for the kite, for the kite they are reunited. Do you understand? You can, I think, easily understand. And now, this is what I want to tell you about. This is what I want to tell you about. This is the incidents that the narrator wishes to express you, wishes to narrate you, wishes to tell you, wishes to say you. Do you understand? The incidents is clearly spoken in these two paragraphs. In these first two paragraphs, we can easily understand the loneliness of the narrator and her brother during their playtime, and we can easily understand her joy. We can easily understand her joy in reunion with her relatives. Let us discuss about some questions. Why did the narrator and Claude make the most of each other. Why did the narrator and Claude make the most of each other? As you know that there was not a single person to assist them, there was not a single mate, there was not a single friend to accompany them during their playing. Thus they had to make the most of each other. Where did the narrator and her family live? Easy question, an easy question. You can easily answer this question. They live Big Half Moon Island. They live in the Big Half Moon Island. What does the narrator want to tell her readers? As we can see the sentence, last sentence, this is what I want to tell you about. They refers to the author and her brother. They lived in an isolated island with their father. They were 3, but presently they are 6. Thank you so much. Stay well, stay connected, and wear mask, wash your hands regularly, keep safe distancing, because we have to prevent the disease. Only till the vaccine is invented or the medicine is invented, and follow the instructions and orders of the state government or the central government or the WHO